Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss on how to apply for Brazil Government Scholarship 2026. This scholarship is offered for international students who wish to pursue master's or PhD degree in Brazil through the International Cooperative Group of Brazil Universities. So the Brazil government is offering 880 fully funded scholarship for international students from around the world. So as many of you already know that on this channel, we only share fully funded scholarship opportunities. We do not usually share scholarship that require application fee, something like that, or admission that require obtaining of offer letter before you can apply for the scholarship. So that's why we found this opportunity very interesting and decided to share with you. So if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel, like the video, and to support us, you can also join our WhatsApp channel. We share qualified scholarship opportunity, including their details, eligibility, requirement, and how to apply step by step. So this is the official website for the scholarship. You can find the link in the video description. You can also find the link to our WhatsApp channel in the video description. Also note that the deadline for this scholarship is, I think, 6 July. So make sure you apply before the deadline. Before you start your application to the scholarship, make sure you have all the required documents. The required documents include your passport picture or your international passport or national ID card. International passport is not mandatory. You can decide to use either your international passport or national ID card document. The second document is your updated CV, then your bachelor degree if you are applying for masters, or your master's degree if you are applying for PhD program, then your academic transcript for masters, or either your master's or your bachelor degree certificate. So let's start the application process. You can find here, can download this form. It includes all the information you need to know about the scholarship, including eligibility criteria and other information, and also medium instruction certificate, so it's not required. You can just apply without any letter stating English is your language of instruction, or IELTS certificate is not required. So to start your application, just click on this application form. So here is the application form. You can decide to choose the language, either Portuguese, Spanish, French, or so I'll click on English. Here is the application form. As you can see, the application form consists of 6 sections, including your personal data, language, education, profession, and other things. So the first step is your personal data, language, education, professional, universities declaration. So write your first name, write your surname, and select your gender and your date of birth, send country of origin, country of residence. We select country of residence. Write your full address, write your email address, then second email address, then country code, then area code, your phone number. So document, as I say that, you can choose either passport or national ID card. So I will choose passport. Issuing country, I see Nigeria. Document number, this is my document number. Expiry date of your document. So I upload my document, my passport. Then, do you have any disability? No. Emergency contacts. Your relationship, like brother, country code, like the area code, and his phone number. write his email address, then click on next. So the next step is language fluency. So which language are you fluent? I will say that English. If you are fluent in any of the above language, you can also write it, then click on next. The next step is your academic background. So my bachelor degree, I upload my bachelor degree certificate, like bachelor degree. Then if you are applying for PhD program, then you can upload your master's degree or PhD degree. So I will upload my bachelor degree certificate here. So then I will certify this, then I will click on next. So the next step is for patient information. So for patient, I will say that, like, for patient like this, I will say my position, company, country. So admission date, this is, are you a professor or no, type of institution, say that private. You can write your duties and description here. Then upload my resume, my CV, then proof of income. This is not mandatory unless this part is mandatory only for those who are professors. So I click on next. I select this, select this, I click on next. So the next step is to select the university and program you wish to apply. You can download this list to find the name of the universities or the map of the countries or the map city of the universities. So this option 1, you can select up to 4 universities and programs. So my option 1 is that I will select, so you can see them, the language are in Portuguese, or I say that Brazil language. So you can make a screenshot of this or copy this information so that you can translate them to see the university when you wish to apply in English. So I will say that this university, then I will select program. The reason why I say that, you can see all the information here are not in English. So the best way to do that is that you can just make a screenshot of this, translate it into English to see the program, the exact program you are looking for. As you can see here, and something like this, anyone is PhD program, while this one is master's program. So advisably, kindly translate the site or the website, or the make a screenshot, and simply make a screenshot of this document so that to find the exact course you wish to apply. If I check like this to translate to English, still you can see the language will not be done. Yes, I can see animal science PhD program, health science like this PhD program. So kindly translate the language into English so that you can find the exact program you wish to apply for. So let me say that health science, then you upload your statement. The statement should be like academic expectation and interest, professional expectation, and perspective for returning to the country of origin. Minimum word is 1000 words. So write the essay, upload the essay. Then the second one is your search proposal containing all the information related to the course you need to apply. You can see it should be max 400 words. It's mandatory. Then I will upload my research proposal. Then second option, I can choose University of Technology, something like this. Let me say this university. So also I will translate the language, the website, so that I can see the exact program I wish to apply. So as you can see, the website is not translated. So I will choose here, translate. translate English. So as you can see, it's not translating. So the best option is to make the screenshot of this, translate it into English so that you can find the exact program you wish to apply for. Definitely this one is PhD, this one is Master's. So let me choose this and select this one. Upload my essay, upload my research proposal. Then option 3, say this, upload my essay. I will upload my research proposal. You can decide to choose food program. So let me just click on next. So the next step is declaration, which is the final step. So declare and also declare this. So make sure you review your information before you submit the application. Once you submit, your application will be submitted successfully and there is no need to make any correction. So before you submit your application, make sure you review your information. Then if everything is correct, you can click on submit application. So this is how you submit your application. After clicking on submit, they will share a application number to you so that in case you can track your ID, they will also send a message to you on your email address including your application number. Let's check it. So this is the email address. As you can see, they will share this code for you. You can access your candidate and track your information. So this is how you successfully submit your application to the Government of Brazil scholarship. So in case if you would like a professional assistant with your application, our team can help you prepare your documents, write the essay writing for you, and ensure all your application and information you provided to us are submitted accurately. You can find our contact information in the video description. Also, don't forget to like the video, share with others who might be benefit. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in the next video.